Today, I'm about to teach you how to remove the rear bumper off this car. Right here, the Max. The tire's flat, so I put some air in it. So when I'm done putting some air, I'm gonna clean the back of the trunk and start this shit, man. You never know, you got hit in the back or something, you want to change the bumper yourself instead of paying to fix it. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. Shouldn't take that long. If everything go well, bolts don't break, and that's it. Alright, soon you clear your trunk or whatever, you could jack it. It's either you jack it up on the jack or I use a ramp at the bottom. I'm gonna show you. Let me show you where you're supposed to jack it up from. Yes, if you use a jack it up in the middle. Let me show you where you can jack it up, because you don't want this shit to, you want a good height so you can get the bolt. Alright, if you're jacking it, make sure you jack it up in the middle right here. Like not there, but right behind it, right there. You could call that axle, I guess. Yeah, that is bar right there. You can put it on that and jack it up. I use ramps, so much easier for me. Okay, tools you will need. You need your ratchet wrench, speed wrench. You can use a ratchet if you want. If you don't have this, 10 mil. You're gonna need this. Take off the clips. You might need a screwdriver. Nah, just keep it in there. And yeah, that's it, man. You could use this ratchet, 10 ratchet, if you want. Alright, let's get started, man. Alright, first let's take off these side markers carefully. Use a flathead. Poke this out. Don't break shit. Yeah, just like that. Sound like it broke. Oh, shit, damn, broke. Look at that. Damn, one job. Whatever. It is what it is. I got like mad at these shits. Okay. Make sure you don't break that shit. Don't break that shit. Alright, let's twist this off. Let's do the other side. Just be careful with this one. Extra careful. Extra careful with this one. Make sure you slide forward. Slide forward. Let's see. Alright. It's a faster way. Put it over here. Better way. Fuck it up. Push forward. Then you push forward. On the shit. Okay, there you go. Came out smooth. Man, this one came out smooth. I should have did that on the other side. Sheesh. Alright, let's twist that off. Okay. Alright. This one's good. Now, let's use a 10 mil. You're gonna need a 10 mil. To the bottom, 2 bolts. There's 2 bolts right here. There's one here, one over here, and 2 on the other side. Take them shits off. Okay. Put that somewhere safe. Place it back on. Alright. Damn, she's rusty. Sheesh. Alright. Other side. Take that off. Okay. Nice. Damn. Rusty. You know, these barely come off. Now. You gotta take off this this cover right here. Take that off. Use your clip remover. Break it off, or take it off like that. Snap it off. This one, I'm gonna take the cap off. I already took the cap off. There's a screw. There's a screw on that. Told you might need a screwdriver. Okay, bam. There you go. Wham. This off right here. Just take that off. You're really supposed to take it off, like, carefully, so you don't break the shit like this. You see, twist it off like this, slow till it comes up like that a little bit. You see, not supposed to twist like that, but yeah. Twist it. You see how it's coming up? Now, shit. Flathead. Take a flathead and go in there. Like that. You see that? That's how you really take it off. Not supposed to break it. Like that, see? So you can reuse that. This one right here is another one. Take this off. This flathead. That. There's another one right here. You see that? Same thing. Take your screwdriver. Take it off. Pop it out. Now, move this like this. And there's the screws. 1 and 2. 10 mils. You should be careful with these. Sometimes they just rip off. So be careful with those. Me, it don't matter to me because this bumper's coming off. Someone might buy it. Okay. Let me get a ratchet and take that off. Okay, so you take those off. Let's do the other side. This side, if you have this thing here, but some people don't have it here. I have one. Take this off. Some people don't know how to take this out because they think it's stuck, but you're supposed to twist this like that, so it could, get smaller. So you can take it out. Take that out. Now, this side got clips too. Just take off those clips. So you're gonna take off the cap. You see the cap that's on there? Just take that off. Cap off. Oh, this side don't have a screw. Wow. Wow. So you take those out. Okay, bring this down. That. This is the motherfucker. This one right here. See that one right here? This one right there. And there's another bolt right there. There's another 10 mil. So you got 3 bolts on each side. Take that off. 10 mil. Look at that shit. Mad tall. Alright, next. Alright, the other bolt right here. There's 1. There's 2 right there. 2 right there. Okay, this side has 2 bolts. Okay, let's take that out. You gotta use an extension for that one. Unless you want to use this thing. If you want to just take that out just with an extension, you could do that. But I want to remove this, so I don't need it. Okay. Alright. Now get to that bolt. Easy. So that bolt broke too. Now let's take off this one. Now, final thing right here. About 10 mil. Right there. It's another 10 mil. Looks like it's already almost out. Let's take that out. One there, one on the other side. Got it. Bam. Now you see it's dropping. Dropping. Now, other thing, you gotta take off these tail lights because there's two clips in here. There's some clips in here you have to take off. So let's take off this tail light. You got 8 mils. Take that off and take this plug out. Okay, take that plug out so you can just pop the tail light out. So you're gonna take out this over here, there. There's one that I put down here. 3. This is 4. All right. Yeah, so you push them out. These are the clips right here. There. 4 of them. Take those off. Shit. Alright, take those off. Okay, should come right off. So, you know, wiggle it a little bit. Push it out. Alright, so you wiggle it. Should come out like that. Shit. Don't drop it. Should come out. Just like that. Bam. Yes. Drop it. Shit. Okay. Make sure you tuck in those. You tuck in those so they don't rip. You see, in the bolt break right here, you could take those out. You could get a new one if you want, but you could heat it up right here and take them out with a vise. I did it before because it's just be calming the brake. And yeah, same thing with the other side. This one broke right here. Yeah, just this one broke. So if you're fixing it, just heat it up. You're right there. Take that with a vise and spin it off. Trust me, I did it before. Not that hard. Not that hard. Once you're done, put everything reverse. Same way you took it off. Gently put a new one or whatever you're doing. If you're doing part out, it don't matter. So you put it back on, put everything back, put the bolts. Put the 3 bolts that's on this side, 10s, 10, the 10 over here. That's 3 on that side. This side has 2. So I got 2. I got 1 over here, and there's 1 over here. Take out that one. Put this back. Put your clips back in their holes. Same thing with this side. This back. Put your clips back. That's it. Put your bolts back in the bottom. Both sides. 2 pins. Take those off. Yeah, put your side markers. Oh yeah, and your tail lights. Don't forget the tail lights. Yeah, man. Don't forget to put your emergency jack on. Back over here. Put the bracket on there. If you took yours off. If not, fuck it. Leave it. If you're nervous about breaking the bolts, don't do this, because they might break. Mine broke. So I'm doing a part out, so it don't matter to me. If you're doing a part out, who cares? Alright, once you're done, put everything back. Make sure all the bolts are back and all that shit. Close your hood if it was up. And that's it, man. If I helped you out, you already know, man. Already know. Give me a like if I helped you. And subscribe.